Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Speshyl and you're watching the Daily Speshyl, and today we're going to be making ricotta cheese. So you know, ricotta cheese can be used in anything, ziti, lasagna, stuff like that. But I wanted to make my own for the first time today. It's something I'm trying out. I found this recipe by Anne Burrell on the Food Network. And I'm a little nervous to try and see what happens. I don't want the cheese to burn or anything. But I figured, why not take you along this journey with me for the first time? I love trying new things, so I hope this turns out good. And let's hop right in. I'm going to link all the ingredients for this recipe down below. But right now, I can tell you that we're using 2 cups of heavy cream. And then to that, we're going to add 6 cups of whole milk. Not 2%, not skim, not 1%, but whole milk. We want the whole fat out of that milk. After that, we're gonna add a teaspoon of kosher salt. I use Diamond Crystal because that's my favorite brand. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. We're gonna heat this up over a medium-low flame. Now, we're gonna have a strainer, a bowl, and a piece of cheesecloth. And what you wanna do is dampen your cheesecloth and then stick it into your strainer and your strainer into the bowl to catch the whey that's gonna form. Now, it took me about 30 minutes to actually start seeing a simmer. And when you see the simmer, you want to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. I let mine simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes. And as you can see, the curds, which are the cheese pieces, separated from the whey, which is the liquid. We're gonna take our cheese and strain it so that we're keeping the solid cheese at the top and the whey at the bottom, which is why we have it over a cheesecloth and a strainer, because all that liquid is gonna be separated from our cheese. Look at our beautiful cheese, guys, we did it. We're gonna let this drain for about 15 to 20 minutes naturally. Don't squeeze it or anything, just let whatever's gonna come out by itself. And then after your 15 to 20 minutes has passed, we're gonna pick it up and squeeze a little bit of that excess moisture out. We don't wanna squeeze all of the moisture out because that'll make our cheese dry. Just squeeze out whatever you can with a light touch. We're gonna grab a jar or any container that has an airtight lid and spoon our cheese inside the jar for proper storage. So under the strainer, you're gonna find all the whey that's strained from your cheese. Now you can reserve that to the side to do anything you want with it, really. There's so many uses for whey. I hopped on Google and found about 1 million things. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it just yet, but I'm gonna keep some and see what I can come up with. Top off your ricotta cheese with a little bit of the whey so that your cheese can retain a little bit of moisture and so it won't be dry and crumbly when you go and try to use it. And that's all, guys. We have successfully made ricotta cheese. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.